Alright, y'all. So that's the output right there. It look good. That's the output of my factory headlights and my fog lights. Alright folks, there y'all have it. That's that guy. So yeah man, y'all see it. Cut these brights on real quick. Yeah, light the block up. Y'all see it man, and turn my truck into a whole nother man. That boy look like try me if you want to. So yeah, man, she look good, bro. Thank God, #1 for sure. All right, this is the form lighting review. I'm on the road with no street lights. Obviously, if I cut my lights off, you can't see nothing. Oh, I got something on right here. Something on the side of me. But these are the fog lights right here. I'm trying to get y'all out there. Fog right there. Alright. These are the lights regular. Hopefully I miss my turn. It's so dark out here, y'all. Lord, everything in fell forward just about no water. So yeah, these are my regular lights. Oh, I'm sorry, these are brights. So right now I got my regular lights on. If I turn my brights on, it's not gonna show like nothing crazy. It's just gonna be more like that. It's just it takes it far though, man. Like it's like, man, it's hard to explain. And honestly, bro, I paid $1,000 for these headlights. And compared to what I had, do I think that was worth it? Bro, yes. Yes, yes. This is definitely worth it. And this is a street with no street lights. It's pitch black. Well, of course, you know, the daytime running lights come on when you cut them off. So you see something. But as you can tell, man, it's a big difference, bro, when you cut them off. Big difference. So, yeah, man, it was worth it. Definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the money. I'll let y'all see it. We get on the highway. We can roll on the highway, and I'll show y'all like that, too. So man, on the highway, man, it's phenomenal, guys. It's phenomenal. The LED, I got the projectors, and man, I cannot complain at all. I wish I would have seen what I was dealing with before I got these headlights. I probably ain't recorded enough, to be honest. But now that I got these, bro, I can see everything, so. What's up, man? So a quick little update on this form headlight. On my left driver side, I had a flickering issue with the light, but I called Forum Headlights. They told me all I need to do is pretty much take off the headlight and get the VIN number, send them a picture, a video, and the VIN number through an email to them, and they'll send me another one back through the mail. So I was like, cool. And then I asked them, I was like, so do I have to send the headlight unit before I get the replacement? And they was like, no. So they was like, you get to get the full function. Throughout this process, we try to make it easier for our customer, and that's that.